Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you the start of my parasite cleanse journey. Yes, you heard right, I'm doing a parasite cleanse this month. And in this video, I'll be diving into some of the key foods and herbs I'll be incorporating to help rid my body of these unwanted guests. Now, parasites are more common than we think. And doing a cleanse like this can help reset our bodies and improve our overall health. I'll also let you in on why I've chosen to follow this cleanse with a liver cleanse in October, so stay tuned for that. Parasites can sneak into our system through contaminated food, water, or even contact with infected surfaces. Over time, they can cause a range of health issues from digestive problems to fatigue. A parasite cleanse can help eliminate these invaders and support your body's natural detoxification processes. I'm doing this cleanse to refresh my system, boost my energy levels, and enhance my overall well-being. So, let's get into 8 powerful foods and herbs that I'll be using during this cleanse. First of all, I'm going to be using hibiscus. Now, hibiscus, the juice itself, which I've got here right now, and these are the flowers, and I always use organic herbs for effectiveness and to avoid pesticides. Now, the juice has antimicrobial properties and helps create an acidic environment in the digestive tracts, and this makes it harder for parasites to survive. It's also rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, and that supports the immune system. Now, onions and garlic are a natural anti-parasitic food. Now, they contain sulfur compounds that can help eliminate parasites and improve digestion. I'll be adding raw onions to salads in my dishes throughout the cleanse, and garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting parasites because it contains allicin, which has been known in studies to kill parasites and support the immune system. Raw garlic will be a staple in my meals during the cleanse, and also ginger. Now, ginger supports digestion and has anti-parasitic properties. It also helps the liver process toxins, which is crucial during any cleanse. I'll be adding fresh ginger as well, and I'll be putting it in my teas and in my foods and smoothies daily. Now, pumpkin seeds are rich in cucurbitacin, let me pronounce that properly. And that's a compound that paralyzes parasites, making them easier for the body to eliminate. So I'll be snacking on raw pumpkin seeds and adding them to my morning smoothie and sprinkling them over my salads. And I've also got pineapple. Now, pineapple contains bromelain, and that's an enzyme that helps break down proteins in parasites and supports digestion. Now, I know some of you might be wondering about the natural sugars in pineapple. Now, rest assured, the natural sugars in pineapple are not something parasites are particularly attracted to. In fact, the benefits of bromelain in helping to eliminate parasites far outweigh any concerns about sugar. So just remember to ensure that you're getting the just plain pineapple. Don't cook your foods heavily, steam them, and also consume the pineapple in moderation as part of a balanced cleanse. Now, I'll also be having apple cider vinegar, and this is why. Apple cider vinegar helps balance stomach acid, and it can make the digestive tract less hospitable to parasites. I'll be taking a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with water before my meals to support the digestive system and cleanse. Now, I've got some herbs here that I'm going to be using for my parasite cleanse. And I've got wormwood, I've got some walnut hulls, black walnut, and I've also got clove, and all of them are organic for their effectiveness and to avoid pesticides, as I mentioned. Now, these herbs are traditionally used in parasite cleanses for their strong anti-parasitic effects. Now, wormwood helps weaken parasites. Black walnut hulls create a hostile environment for them, and clove buds kill parasite eggs, preventing them from reproducing. So these are an effective, powerful combination. Now, I'll be doing this cleanse for 30 days, which is typically a good length of time to ensure that the parasites are fully eliminated. And during this period, I'll be incorporating the foods and herbs mentioned here. And I'll be adding them into my dishes daily, and mainly raw. I'll also be making a tea using the wormwood and the broken walnut hulls and the whole clove buds. And here's how I'm going to do it. 1 teaspoon of dried wormwood, 1 teaspoon of broken walnut hulls, 5 clove buds, and 2 cups of boiling water. Now, I'll be combining the wormwood, the walnut hulls, and whole clove buds in a teapot. And I'll put them in there to infuse. And then I'll let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the herbs to fully infuse. Now, I'll strain the tea into a cup and drink it twice a day, preferably on an empty stomach. Now, you can do it another way in terms of making this a more potent herbal brew, and it just takes slightly longer, where you would use 2 cups of water and boil the hulls, the walnut hulls, the black walnut hull with the clove, and you would let that simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you add the wormwood, because it's a leaf. So normally with roots and woody herbs like this, and of course the hull, you can bring that to a boil, let it simmer, like I said, and then add the tea and let that steep for a further 10 minutes. Now, these herbs are potent, so it's important not to overdo it. Stick to the recommended amounts. And also, just make sure that you consult with a healthcare provider if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or you have any health concerns or taking any medication. Now, parasite cleanses can help improve digestion. They can also boost your immune system and increase your energy levels. And regular cleansing supports your body's natural ability to maintain a healthy internal environment free from harmful invaders. Now, after I complete my parasite cleanse, I'll be doing a liver cleanse in October. And this is because the liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body and cleansing it after a parasite cleanse, which can help to flush out any remaining toxins. Now, by doing these cleanses in this order, it ensures that my body is properly supported and my liver is in top shape to continue filtering out waste. Now, I'd love for you to join me on this journey. And if you're interested in natural health solutions, come and join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join, and we have some great discussions on well-being and natural remedies. And you can find the link in the description below to join there, along with links to these powerful parasite herbs. Now, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming content. Be happy, be healthy, and wise. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.